Hello, Internet friends. My name is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I want to show you a quick tip on how to adjust roofs today. I had a client contact me with this question of how to move a roof. This currently is a shed roof on this garage, 16 feet up from the plate. Now, in this case, we have the garage is about 18 inches floor level of the garage above the terrain. So this first solution may not be the appropriate solution. And that would be just to figure out, take the top plate 97 1/8 inches, and you want it to be, now that's 97 1/8 from zero. I'm pretty sure that will not take into account. Let's do this. Let's figure out where that is. Yes, 18. So let's do structure minus 16 and open this up and see this still says 97 1/8. That's from zero, not the height of the garage itself. Okay, that's from zero, which this, if we go back to our picture here, floor level 0 is the floor level of the house right now. This is 16 inches down. So that's one thing to think about. Had this remained at 0, we could have just used this 97 1/8. What I would do is on my calculator, I don't know why I said calculator. 16 times 12 is 192 inches minus 97 1/8. So I need to move that 94 7/8 up. So I could lock the pitch and just move my baseline height plus 94 7/8. Let's take, if that had remained 0, that should do it. Let's do this. I'm going to draw a line here, length angle. I'm going to make that Y position 0. This line is where the house is. So I should have a dimension here from here to the line of 16 feet. And it went to the ceiling, so let's just do this up here. There we go, 16 feet. Well, now I need to bring it back down 16 inches because we dropped the floor 16 inches. So I'm going to click on the roof and open that up. I could lock the pitch and subtract 16 inches minus 16, and that would calculate what the baseline height needed to be. You could do that on any of these. You could lock the pitch and bring down the top ridge height. You could bring down the fascia height, or subtract 16 from the baseline height. You could subtract 16 from any of these three. Or when you select it, you can also transform, replicate, move just minus 16 like that. Okay, so that's one way of getting about it. Now that we've moved it, I'm going to move this down to my floor, and there's my 16 feet. Probably an easier way to do it. Let's not save that. Let's change my ceiling, my structure, my rough ceiling to 16 feet. I'm going to delete this roof plane. Let's go into my roof detail. I'm going to make this probably with something this long, a garage this large. I would have to make this a truss, and we'll make our heel height, let's say 12 inches, whatever you want it to be, 3 pitch. But ultimately, I already did this. 192 inches is my rough ceiling, so that's my plate height right there. From floor to plate is 192 inches. There's my 16 feet. With my roof settings, I've set it to trusses. You could do rafters and go to structure and change your structure to 2x12s or 2x10s or 2x8s, whatever you're doing. But I think in this case, I'm going to be doing trusses, 3-pitch, 12-inch heel height, and then I would draw the roof. I'll draw the roof here. Let's take a quick peek at the camera. There's that. Let's take a quick section and make sure I'm doing this correctly. And I'll show you. So there's the ceiling, 16 feet, and here's the heel height from that plate on up to the sheathing. That's my 12-inch heel height of the truss. So if we were to come in here and let's create the framing of that wall and the framing of that roof plane and switch to framing layer here. There you see our truss. There you see our plate at 16 feet, which is what we set in the room. There you see our wall plate and our 12-inch heel height. A couple ways to get around setting your 16-foot. You can draw the roof plane and move it where you want to, as we did in the first example. You can move it by figuring out how much it needs to move and opening the roof plane, locking the pitch, and then moving that baseline height or ridge top height or fascia top height, that delta of whatever you want to move it. You can also just transform replicate and move the Z delta. That moves up or down in the sky. So plus would be up higher, down, negative would be down closer to the terrain. That delta, whatever you determine that needs to be. Or set the room ceiling height itself and then draw the roof plane. I hope this is helpful. If you like this, click like and subscribe. I'll talk to you again soon. Take care.